Hi guys, I'm now here in the basement. This is the basement guys, or the subway going up to the train station. So dito sa baba, left and right, mga shop siya. So different shops here, groceries, pharmacy, and accessories shop, cosmetic shop here in the basement. And there is also for perfumery. So this is very important because as a traveler we need something so we can eat. And there is also a coffee shop here, coffee shop. So if you need to eat, if you want to drink coffee, then you can order. So I was very early here. I am already here 7 o'clock guys. Kasi maaga ang biyahe sa bus o sa ano ba yan? Maagang biyahe ng mga train. So nandito na tayo sa train station guys. Mainit na. I'm looking for a seat. I will sit down and I will relax and I will eat my sandwich because I bring a sandwich from home. So this is now the Zürich main station. SBB means Swiss speed train. Hinihingal na ako guys kasi kanina pa ako naggala, mainit na. The weather here is warm now. Look at the passengers are coming out from the train. So pag kahit wala kang private car dito, so maka-access ka pa rin ng mga mabilis na sakayan. So the easiest way that you can reach on time to your destination is to take by train because the train is very fast moving. And the ticket for one route or one single route is 4 francs. 4 francs is normal, one way lang yan, one road. So ibig sabihin one stop, 4 francs. But if you want more cheaper, you can buy single 24 hours ticket mo kahit saan. So that is about 18 euro if it is one ticket for the whole day. So that is 18 francs pala, 18 francs. So pag marami kang mga pupuntahan, so it's better you will take the one day ticket. It's only 18 euro. Pero kung balikan lang, papunta, going and back, so just buy single ticket, only 4 francs each. So back and forth is cost 8 francs. 8 francs is less than that is about 7 euro something, because in Switzerland they are paying they are using the francs. So this train station is for international route and for domestic route. So right from here in the Zurich, so the Swiss speed train is moving throughout the Central Europe, and very easy, and it's not so tired because it's express. You can go within 30 minutes, even a long distance, or 1 hour through another country, like crossing the border of Germany France, Italy. So it depends on your route. Okay, so I hope guys you get an info about Switzerland, how to take Switzerland's train. So there is a ticketing machine here. I will show you the ticketing machine. You will buy your ticket through the machine. So this one is going, this route guys is going to the southern Switzerland. Papunta yan ng Italy, ganon. South part of the Switzerland, which is Italian speaking, is bordering Lucerne. Ticino in the south, so that is an Italian speaking Switzerland, because that is the border of Swiss and Italy. So meron dito waiting area, pwede tayo dito papasok, mag-relax. So ito na siya, paalis na si train. So bye bye train, and I will see you later. Mamaya na lang ako uwi. Mag-relax muna ako dito guys, dito ako sa loob, para kakain muna ako ng aking baon na sandwich. So ito, papasok tayo dito para walang hindi magulo. So dito ako guys, mag-relax muna ako dito. So ito, yung aking isang telephone, yung aking isang CP ay naglubat na. So plus ito siya, yung ginamit ko ngayon is what is this? Naka-reserve siya. Mainit na guys, tanggalin ko yung aking sunglass. Remove my sunglass. You see, I'm still wearing my eyeglass. This, pag lumabas ako, nagagamit ako ng sunglass. Dinodoble ko para, you know, I need my vision to be clear. Para hindi ako madapad yung magalagala. Blind ng aking paningin. Medyo mainit dito ngayon kasi nandito ako sa loob. Pero pagtigaan na lang kasi kakain ako dito para medyo hindi siya maalikabok. Ayun meron na namang dumating na train. So, here in Switzerland, walang problema ang sakayan. Kung malapit ka sa train station, mabilis kang makarating sa iyong pupuntahan. So you can access an early trip by train, because the train is not stopping. Every 5 minutes I think there is a train. So even you don't have a private car, you can still reach to your destination very early or on time by taking that train. Okay, so until here, I hope you like this travel vlog right here from Switzerland. This is me, Rapelsa, and have a nice day. Stay tuned and give a thumbs up if you like this video. Share and subscribe if you're new to my channel of Vedesen. Bye bye.